So, it is Wednesday, and we're in the middle of a giant snowstorm. They've canceled everything, they've canceled work. Everything's closed, and doggies are ready to play. They're ready to play. Where's my sky? Oh, I just shoveled. Oh, easy there, killer. There's Mr. Sky. Ooh! Ooh! He's gonna snort at me. Woof! Go get it. Why do you come to me? No. We're going after Sky. We're going after Sky. They have to leap. Oh! Almost didn't make it, Nanook. Almost didn't make it. Sky. Go get her! Go get her! Is that my Sky? What are you doing? I can't even see you. You're buried. You're buried. Oh! As you can see, they're up on a giant snow mound. Nanook likes to sit up on this one. The other video was hard to see, it was dark out. But, there's my kitchen window. And, let's see. Here's the fence, and if you can get perspective of how high the snow is, it actually is higher than the fence. And this fence comes up to my waist, probably 4 feet. What are you doing? What are you doing? Nanook! Nanook, what are you doing? Oh, hit my camera. What are you doing, pretty girl? What are you doing, pretty girl? Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Want some snow? Oh, no. Got my hand all. Oh, lick the snow, lick the snow. Mr. Sky. Mr. Sky just wants to play. So, there's my kitchen window, what's left of it. It's actually a double hung, I think. So the bottom panel's actually completely covered. And, yeah. The view from inside is very white. So, that's our adventure for today. Say goodbye, puppies. Sky. Sky. Say goodbye. You want a treaty? You want a treaty? Let's go inside for treaty. Let's go inside for treaty.